We've had a lot of people asking lately for us to make a video about this. So today we're going to go over how to properly install your Billet MAP rear main seal. Jordan here with EMS today. So to start off with everything, get your Billet Rear Main Seal out of the package here. You're going to want to get yourself a forward prep wipe. Take your prep wipe and you're going to clean the surface all the way around where the groove is and along the bottom. And then we're going to go over here to the block and we're going to clean and prep the surface where the seal is going to mate to the block. So we'll start with the block. You don't have to scrub it, just a good thorough wipe over. And then we're going to do the same on the rear main seal here. Once you do that, give it a couple seconds to dry, because it will leave a little residue. Then next, before we do anything else, I'm going to take a little assembly lube. We're going to come over here, lube up the end of the crankshaft a little bit, so the seal doesn't rip or tear going onto it dry. Don't go crazy with it, just a little thin layer. So the next step is going to be get your motorcraft sealant here. Now when you go to put RTV around this channel all the way around the perimeter, you're going to want to put a good liberal amount of sealant. When it comes to these and putting the RTV down on the back here, if you think you didn't put enough, put some more. Because if you don't put enough, it will leak and you're going to have to pull the engine back out of your car and reseal this again. We're going to move over to the engine now and put a nice bead of RTV on the oil pan where everything's going to meet at. And again, the thick bead along here is better, so you don't have to tear this back apart. Now the nice thing about the MAP Billet Rear Main Seal, you don't need an installation tool. You just grab your rear main seal, take it, set it on at an angle. Don't go straight on, because if you go straight on, you're going to wipe all this RTV right off the oil pan. So you take it, drop it on at an angle, make sure you're lined up with the crankshaft good, and then you just push it right on. Your bottom two bolts that are going to go into the main girdle, we're going to take and get some blue Loctite and put on those two bolts, just the bottom two bolts. So we're going to grab the rest of our hardware here and go ahead and hand start everything. Alright. Next, we're gonna grab our socket here and get our torque wrench. Rico, I need you to edit this out. I gotta go grab my torque wrench. Alright, so we're gonna get our torque wrench and our socket. We're gonna torque these bolts down to 89 inch-pounds. We're gonna start with this bottom one here and go in a pattern. And then there, 1, 2, and this one. Three. Now that all of our bolts are torqued down to spec and everything, it's all sealed up, we're good to go. That is how to on installing a Billet MAP Rear Main Seal.